Want to be rich? Here's the truth. Saving money is not the way to get there. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around to find out why. Hey there, if you're looking to get rich, you've probably heard it 1,000 times, save your money. But what if I told you that saving money alone could actually be holding you back from becoming wealthy? Sounds a little strange, doesn't it? But trust me, saving money isn't the secret to building real wealth. In this video, I'm going to explain why saving money might be the last thing you should focus on if you really want to become rich. Let's dive in. 1. The problem with saving money. Most people believe that in order to get rich, you just need to save, and save. That's the traditional advice, right? But here's the problem. Inflation. If you're saving money and not investing it, over time, your money loses value. Let's say you save $10,000 today. In 10 years, that same $10,000 could buy you a lot less because prices on almost everything, food, gas, housing, go up. Now, this doesn't mean saving is completely useless, but it's just not enough. Saving alone doesn't get you ahead, it keeps you stuck in the same place. 2. The power of investing. So, what does get you ahead? The answer, investing. Instead of leaving your money in a savings account with little interest, invest it in assets that grow over time. This could be stocks, real estate, or even your own business. By investing, you're putting your money to work for you, and that's how wealth grows. Let's take the stock market as an example. Historically, the stock market has given returns of around 7 to 8% per year on average. That means if you invested $10,000, you could see it grow to about $20,000 in 10 years without doing anything, but letting time do its thing. 3. The importance of learning and growing your income. Now, here's where the real shift happens. In order to get wealthy, you don't just need to save or even invest, you need to learn how to grow your income. Think about it. If you want to become rich, you need to earn more money than you spend. This means developing new skills, starting side businesses, or even asking for that promotion you've been eyeing. The wealthiest people don't just focus on saving what they have, they focus on growing what they earn. This is why the most successful people are always learning, whether it's reading, taking courses, or investing in their businesses. The goal is to make more money, not just hold on to what you got. 4. The mindset shift. Stop fearing risk. A lot of people are afraid of risk, especially when it comes to money. The truth is, taking smart risks is a key part of getting rich. When you save money in a bank, it's safe, but it's also limiting your potential. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to take calculated risks. That might mean investing in stocks, starting a business, or buying real estate. It's not about being reckless, it's about being smart and strategic with your money. 5. Actionable steps to take today. So, how can you start on the path to wealth right now? Stop oversaving, cut back on the unnecessary expenses, and start freeing up more of your income for investments. Start investing, even if it's just a small amount at first. Start getting your money into assets that grow. Invest in yourself, take courses, learn new skills, and focus on earning more, not just saving. Take smart risks, don't fear them. Do your research and make informed decisions with your investments. Stay consistent. Building wealth takes time. Don't get discouraged. Just keep at it. Want to know the secret to saving $100,000 fast? Imagine having 6 figures in your bank account sooner than you think. Stick around for easy and powerful tips that can take you from broke to financially free. Let's dive into it. Start with a budget. First things first, get yourself on a budget. I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's the foundation of all your money saving efforts. Start by tracking your income and expenses. You need to know where your money is going. Apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can make this super easy. Once you see where your money's leaking, you can start cutting unnecessary spending and saving more efficiently. 2. Pay off high interest debt. Next up, high interest debt like credit cards. If you've got credit card debt, paying it off quickly is key. That 20% plus interest rate is like throwing money out the window. Focus on paying down your debt with the debt avalanche method, where you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Once that's gone, you can throw all that money towards savings instead. 3. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to make saving effortless is by automating it. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money from your checking account to a savings account as soon as you get paid. Even $50 a week adds up over time. You won't miss it, and you'll be surprised by how much you save without even thinking about it. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now, let's talk about cutting costs. We all have subscriptions we don't need. Think Netflix, gym memberships, or meal delivery services. Take a look at your recurring bills and ask yourself, do I really need this? Cutting just a few things can save hundreds of dollars each year, and that's money you can be putting towards your $100,000 goal. 5. Increase your income. 331 to 410. Saving more is great, but what about earning more? Look into side gigs like freelancing, tutoring, or even driving for Uber or Lyft. The extra money you make can be funneled straight into your savings. Plus, there are plenty of online platforms where you can sell your skills, such as Upwork or Fiverr. Find what works for you and start making that extra cash. 6. Invest for the future. Now, let's talk about investing. Yes, I said investing. While saving is important, investing can make your money grow. Start with low-cost index funds or mutual funds if you're a beginner. You don't need to be a stock market expert to get started, but a small monthly contribution can compound over time and help you reach your $100,000 goal faster. 7. Be patient and stay consistent. 501 to 540. Lastly, remember this, saving $100,000 isn't going to happen overnight. It's going to take time, effort, and consistency. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and track your progress. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep yourself motivated. So, there you have it. You don't need to be a financial genius to save $100,000. With the right strategies, you can make it happen. Start with a budget, pay off high-interest debt, automate your savings, cut unnecessary expenses, find ways to earn more, and invest for the future. Stick to these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building that six-figure savings account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money saving tips. Let me know in the comments what's your next step towards saving $100,000. See you in the next video.